Hi, welcome to actually here our Bugatti atelier. This is the place where our CMF team is working. You can see here all the materials for the tourbillon, and we are really happy to welcome you here so we can show you the small capsule collection of the materials we have developed. My name is Sabine Consolini and I'm the head of CMF of Bugatti, responsible for all the material developments. We create overall concepts from the series production to individualization for, let's say, all the Bugatti projects, but especially today we are talking about the tourbillon. Sometimes they just come with an idea and we try to come as close as possible, and there is, let's say, no limit. So we can add sparklings, sometimes even diamonds. So we realize actually for every single customer the best configuration. In the interior, of course, there is really a lot to configure. So we can have embroideries with personal logos and stitches, but sometimes we also develop materials on demand only for one customer, and this is for us as a designer is really interesting because we have the opportunity to research from the fashion industry new materials, and we bring it then to the automotive, and sometimes really just for one special customers, and yeah, we call it Automotive Couture. Our philosophy in Bugatti is you see what you get, means like we only use real materials. So we have leathers where we redefine it for the tourbillon. We made it softer thanks to a new tanning process with minerals. Talking about our material concept, the automotive haute couture or the automotive couture, we are really proud that we could assemble a nice collection of fabrics. Fabrics is something what was never used before in Bugatti, and this is something we can offer now for the tourbillon. We have analyzed and researched a lot of companies. They are producing fabrics actually for the fashion industry. We took the characteristics, we changed them for automotive, and we are really proud that we could offer them now to our customers for the tourbillon. For example, this is a hand-woven fabric which is made in Kyoto in Japan. We really like it because this is something really new, what you have never seen before in the automotive industry. It is soft, it has a lot of deepness, you can see there is some metallic yarn inside, and believe me or not, there are some some washi paper stripes in it. Also new for Bugatti, but not so new in the automotive industry, which is knitting. But we refine actually the material of the knitting with something new, and this is some metallic yarn inside. So in this way, the metallic yarn is really sparkling and enhancing the surface, so it becomes really three-dimensional. Our goal is that it looks as much as luxurious as possible. The beauty of this is that customers, they can personalize on demand, they can really choose the pattern, and this is something we just do one time for one customer. So this is extremely haute couture and extremely sur mesure. Our signature material, this is our Bugatti fabric. This was exclusively designed by us, so from the first sketch to the realization with our supplier in Paris. We are really happy that we can offer these to our customers for now in 4 different colors, but we are really sure that there are coming many more. The beauty of this fabric is you can see a little bit the EB logo. A really iconic material of the tourbillon is the aluminum. We have it a lot in the exterior, but also in the interior. You can see this nice, beautiful center console, all the knobs and bits and pieces, and of course, if you enter the car, the first you see is the jewel of the interior, is our cluster. We have designed something really special we can offer to our customers, are like the backplate of the cluster, where we have a lot of different versions. For example, something like this, which comes from the watchmaking industry. So the cluster itself is tailored from a Swiss manufacturer who's actually doing watches. We took this idea of fashion from the watchmaking industry and we created a lot of different backplates. We are really proud that in the interior of the tourbillon we have something really unique for the automotive industry. It's glass. We have this piece you can see here in the center console. It was quite a challenge to realize this because it's all made of one piece, as you can see it here. And not only in transparent, analyzing with all our experts and of course our really good suppliers, we were able to realize the glass not only in transparent but also in the different shades of color. We have created a lot of colors with new color tones which are not so high contrast. They're a bit desaturated, but they have really this nice fine tone which we wanted to achieve to create this haute couture concept for the tourbillon. Our customers can come here and we can have configuration sessions here on site because it's really inspiring. Not only the architecture is inspiring, but also all the materials we have here, and we always say there is no limit. So it's like, you know, like in the interviews with the customers, we try to find the best creation like in the haute couture fashion, and this is actually for us really important, that especially for the tourbillon we get inspired by the fashion industry and we create haute couture for the automotive market.